Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to do a very simple Joomlart Quickstart install for Joomla 1.7.
Okay, so now we've downloaded our Quickstart. In this case, I'm going to use Rave. So let's go get it. There it is. Nope, it's the wrong file. And I have found using 7-zip for extract is considerably faster than using the built-in Windows zip. But whichever one you're using, go ahead and unzip it. Now if you're using cPanel, which we can do here just to give you a demonstration, then what you would want to do is go ahead and come to your file manager. You'd want to go ahead and create a folder for it. I'll put it in this one, demo. In this case, you're going to put it right here in the root. Normally, you would not put it in a subfolder. You would upload the file. And you'll see it start uploading down here. We'll wait for that to complete. Takes, in this case, about 2 minutes. And then once it's uploaded, then we just simply extract it, just like we did with the unzip. Very, very simple process. Okay, so now we see that it is completed. So we can go ahead and go back. We select our file, and we tell it extract. Go ahead and extract the file. Great, that's done. And then we refresh. Sure enough, it's all there. Let's go ahead and remove the original zip. So we save file space. Then you go ahead and continue like you were doing before. So now we've done that. Now, like I said, if you were doing this on your live server, you would not put it in a subfolder necessarily. You'd probably just want it right in the root public HTML folder. I did not put it in there because I already have an installation there, as you can see here. All right. So that's how you do that. So we can close all this. Now we need to create our database. So creating a database is very simple. You open phpMyAdmin. If you're using cPanel, do it through your database wizard. Give it a name. In this case, I'm going to name it Rave. Okay, so our database is created. Now let's go ahead and do our install. Pick your language that you choose to use. If you have anything red here, you need to go correct it. In this case, display errors, although you should have it off. I have it on because I do development, so I want it on. Read your license. Now we start entering our database information. If you're doing Joomla version 2.5, you don't have to create the database first. Joomla will create the database for you. Give your database a name. You want the same name we told it in phpMyAdmin. Let it cook for a second. If you need FTP access because your host told you to, in order to use Joomla on your server, now's the time to enter it. It's recommended that you don't use this if you don't have to. Give it your site name, your admin's email address, your admin username. Please don't use Joomla. You'll get hacked very quickly. Use your default language set. Install the sample data if you choose to. If you're doing a quick start, you probably want the sample data. That's probably why you downloaded it. Once you get the successful message, go ahead and say next. Remove your installation folder. Go to your administration, and you are done with the basic installation. Now you need to do one of the most important parts, and that is updating everything. You see here Joomla 1.7.0. The latest version of Joomla at the time of this recording is Joomla 1.7.3. So we want to update. We purge our cache. We find updates. We choose our update. We tell it to update. We'll see here that it's going along. This can take anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes, depending upon the size of the update and the speed of your internet connection. So as soon as that's done, we'll come right back. Okay, so it's done. Now if you happen to get this error, it is due to the update cycle not being handled properly by Joomla. So what you should do is go into your phpMyAdmin and then go to your database. In this case, we were working with Rave. And you want to find the schema table. And you want to edit this version right here. See, it thinks we're using 1.6. So click your little edit there and change this number here to this. If you're not using 1.7.3, please contact Joomla and find out the proper fix for this. This is a Joomla issue, and it has to do with the updater and the way updates have been done. 2.5 will self-correct this issue. Okay, once you've done that, you save it. And now we can continue on with our updates. So now we have Joomla updated. So now the next thing we want to do is update our Joomlart products. Even though this is a brand new extension, a brand new install, there is probably updates that need to be done. And so we just want to make sure. And plus we want to be able to do updates later on. So let's create our update database. And now we need to enter our license that allows us to do the updates. And saving your config. This should be the exact username and password you use to log into Joomlart. Okay, and we gotta wait. There it is. Great. Now we're good to go. So now we go to our extensions. We want to make sure we're only working with the Joomlart extensions, because other extensions may be different. Check them all. Check for updates. Okay, now we're all set to do our updates from Joomlart. And now let's go check our updates. And you'll see we have several. So let's just go ahead and start doing our updates. You can put any message in the upgrade box you choose to. We'll wait for it to complete. Once we have successful done on everything, we're ready to go. You've now installed your Joomlart Quickstart package.